One important defense exercise is there, that is Ministry of Defense's IONS Maritime Exercise. Okay, very important one. Remember the name, IONS Maritime Exercise. Okay, IMEX. It is named as IMEX TTX 2026, held at Southern Naval Command, Kochi. Okay. If you see the overview of the defense exercise, IMEX TTX 2026, hosted by the Indian Navy at the Maritime Warfare Center, Southern Naval Command, Kochi, on this particular date, 27th March 2026. Okay. This event involved multiple Indian Ocean Naval Symposium. You see, this is a very, very important Indian Ocean Naval Symposium. Okay, IONS. Okay. It is a group of countries actually which are bordering the Indian Ocean. You know very well, from the point of view of security, maritime security, Indian Ocean is very important for us. Okay, so we have created this symposium, and regularly we are conducting the naval exercises. Okay, so IONS member nations have participated, and international officers are also participated, focusing on maritime security challenges in the Indian Ocean region, IOR. This becomes very, very significant given the West Asia uh, crisis and energy challenges that are being faced by our country. Okay. So about some details about the exercise, if you see overview of the IMEX, okay, this Indian Navy successfully hosted the Science Maritime Exercise, okay, in Kochi, and this particular this we have already said. Participants and engagement, if you see, distinguished delegates from Indian Ocean Naval Symposium, member navies, international officers from IOS Sagar, and the Indian Navy officers gathered for high-level discussion on maritime security. So the focus area is maritime security. Okay, the exercise addressed evolving non-traditional maritime security threats in the Indian Ocean region, emphasizing coordination and strategic dialogue to enhance the regional stability. Okay. Some data is there. You need not worry about the data. Further, the IONS conference highlights the regional cooperation that we will see. The exercise included participants from Bangladesh, France, Indonesia. Very interesting and important also. Bangladesh has also participated. France, Indonesia, Kenya, Maldives, Mauritius, Myanmar, Seychelles, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, and Timor-Leste. Okay, all these countries have participated, highlighting the broad multilateral cooperation. Okay, so this involvement underscores collective commitment by all the countries to build and maintain mutual trust and enhancement for maritime security. Okay, you see, it also fosters a collaborative maritime security. Okay, this exercise, or through this exercise, the participating nations are proactively working together to improve joint maritime operations and ensure security across the region. Okay. Then this event also shows India's maritime leadership and at the IMX TTX 2026. Okay. So India is set to lead the Indian Ocean Naval Symposium again for the year, for the twin years 2026 to 28 um, term after 16 years pause, making renewed regional maritime leadership efforts. Okay. Then this also highlights the strategic maritime security. Okay, conducted. This conducted a high-tech simulated environment, addressed multifaceted maritime security challenges, enhancing preparedness in the Indian Ocean region. Okay. You know very well that IOR region is very critical for global trade and energy flows. Okay. So these are the highlights once again discussed. Okay. Then finally, if you see how it strengthens maritime security in the Indian Ocean region, the recent exercise provided valuable insights aimed at reinforcing the IONS framework, promoting coherent and stable maritime domain in the Indian Ocean region. These improvements contribute greatly to regional security and cooperation. Okay, so the members have also committed for committed security. Then they also committed for addressing the threats that are being evolving, especially in this particular scenario, the developments in West Asian region through a collaborative effort that is also there. Okay, so if you see the Indian Navy and IONS, what is the role of India in IONS? You see the Indian Navy alongside participating navies effectively showcased their preparedness and flexibility to counter non-traditional maritime threats during the event. Okay, further, this demonstration enhances the security and the stability in the region. Okay, in the Indian Ocean region. The next thing, if you see, engagement through exercises such as IMEX TTX plays a vital role in building and nurturing trust and unity among the members of the Indian Ocean Naval Symposium, ensuring cohesive collaboration. Okay, and this will also prepare the people for future challenges that are there. Okay, or that are coming up. Okay, so this is what broadly you have to know about the uh, IONS TTX Symposium. Okay, how it will protect trade and energy security in Indian Ocean region, how collaborative effort, okay, how collaborative efforts will ensure this trade and energy security, etc. So just you remember the name of the symposium and where it is held. That much will be sufficient for the prelims examination. Okay.